Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here and make a quick install video, kind of just document the install of this nice modern three bulb lighting fixture to go right above the bathroom mirror in my bathroom. I actually did just remove the original one here from the 1950s. So I think after 70 years it was time, and this seems to be a fairly simple install process. Basically what they do is they give you this nice little crossbar piece, and you actually get some of these nice long screws. Essentially what's going to happen is the crossbar piece is going to actually have, there's going to be some the screws that go through there into the screws in this little remodeling box here. So what that's going to do, that's going to anchor the crossbar, and then the crossbar is going to rotate just enough so that I can actually line up with the holes on either side here, and then these little thumb screws are going to go there and actually attach that to the wall. In the back here, the wiring seems to be fairly straightforward. Basically, there's a bundle of white, there's a bundle of black, and that's going to go to the bundle of white here, and then there's a bundle of black right over there, and then if you can see, there's actually a grounding screw. So I'm actually just going to ground it to the ground here, and they also give you a nice little green screw that all kind of goes right over there where it says ground. It gives you a nice little hole, and they label it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to I'm going to cut the camera, cut the power so I don't get zapped. If you're not familiar or you're not an electrician, always work with the power off. I don't want anyone to get zapped watching this video. So what I'm going to do basically, again, it's going to be screws turn to get this level, and then I'm basically going to tighten up these screws here, and then it's going to be a matter of, again, attaching the wires, just using the basic wire nuts. They basically just twist right onto the bundles, and I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like when we're all done. Okay, so with the electricity off, what I've done is I've wire nutted the white and the black over to the white and the black here, inside here. And then what I've done is I've also attached the ground to this crossbar, so that when I take this little ground on the green screw, it's actually going to ground through here. And then when that's done, I'm actually going to actually adjust this so that this becomes level. And then that way I'll be able to get this nice and level, and we'll be able to hang this up. All right, so now we're up here, we're grounded. I have the grounded screw, everything's attached. This is all nice and safe. All I have to do now is just remove these little black caps and then feed them through the little square part. All right, now that that's on there, I just have to basically remove these little collars and then put the glass bits up and then put the light bulbs in, and we will be fine. All right, so this is why you read directions, because I had it mounted upside down. I wasn't going to be able to get my medicine cabinet open. So we flipped it around. Now we're going to put all the glass on. All right, now we've got all the bulbs in. Well, I got to get a third bulb because the old one was only a 2-bulb fixture. But overall, everything here is installed, and again, I would recommend this to anybody here. It was a fairly easy, fairly straightforward install.